Mastering, Why Not? A Simple Guide. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, why not? This phrase is very common in English conversations, and understanding how to use it correctly can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and learn all about why not? Why not is a phrase used to respond to a suggestion or a proposal. It is used when you agree to the suggestion, or you think it's a good idea. For example, if someone asks, "Do you want to go to the movies?" you can respond, "Why not?" which means you think it's a good idea and you agree to it. You can also use why not to make suggestions. When you want to propose an idea or a plan, you can start your sentence with why not, followed by your suggestion. For example, why not try this new restaurant? This means you are suggesting trying the new restaurant. Sometimes, why not is used to express uncertainty or lack of a strong opinion. If someone asks for your opinion and you don't have a strong preference, you can say, why not? This shows that you are open to different possibilities and you do not have any objections. In some cases, why not can be used in a negative context. For instance, if someone suggests something that you think is a bad idea, you might respond, why not? But with a sarcastic tone of voice. The tone of voice is crucial here, as it changes the meaning of the phrase. And that's a wrap on why not? We've covered the basic usage, how to make suggestions with it, expressing uncertainty, and even how to use it in negative situations. Remember, paying attention to the context and tone of voice can really help you understand the meaning behind why not? We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.